In a magical kingdom, far, far away, lived the kind and wise King Orm. Every morning, he would greet the sun, spreading joy throughout the land. The subjects loved King Orm, for he was always fair and just. One day, a problem arose in the kingdom, a problem no one had ever seen before. A monster had stolen the golden apple, the kingdom's most precious treasure. King Orm was worried, but he knew he had to find a solution. He gathered his bravest knights, and they set off on a daring quest. They searched high and low, but the golden apple was nowhere to be found. Just when they were about to give up hope, they heard a strange noise. "Follow the sound," said King Orm, and the knights followed the noise's trail. They found the monster, guarding the golden apple with its mighty claws. The knights bravely fought, but the monster was too powerful. "We cannot defeat it alone," said King Orm. "We must think of a clever plan." "I have an idea," said a small voice, and all turned to see a young squire standing among them. "I have a magic potion that can make us all stronger. Let me brew it." The potion worked, and the knights felt a surge of strength. They charged at the monster, and with a mighty roar, they defeated it. King Orm retrieved the golden apple, and the kingdom was saved. That night, the kingdom celebrated, and King Orm was hailed a hero. But he knew the true hero was the young squire, who saved the day with his clever plan. And from that day forward, the kingdom lived in peace and prosperity, forever remembering the bravery of King Orm and his knights.